Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel today. We are go to make Instagram posts to promote upcoming summer sale for clothing brand. So let's begin. Go on Elements and search for summer and choose photo, whatever you like. Let's choose this and set it as a background and decrease the transparency and choose the color from the image. Press T to write the text and type summer copy. Paste it and type sale. Do this until you finish the information texts. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My channel also follow me on Instagram. We are finished now. It's time for the fonts and fonts color. Let's give them white color and yellow for summer coral or orange for sale. Press R for rectangle round the corners and give yellow color and adjust it. Green or teal color for shop now. Copy paste it and type it summer vibes. Now let's search for summer glasses. I like this one. Put it in the front. Let's try to search coral color for sale. Adjust it until you're satisfied with your design. There we go, our design is ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos. And also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.